I saw this hat rack on IKEA's website that I really liked and thought, I could make that. So I did, and I'm going to show you how using only one 6-foot 2x4, some wood glue, and screws. First I took the 2x4 to the miter saw and cut it down into two 36-inch pieces. Then I took it over to the table saw, cut off the rounded corners to try and get a real nice, crisp, sharp edge on the 2x4. I ran it through a second time at about 1.5 inches to make the body of the hat rack. I then cut down each of the hooks to right about 5 or 6 inches long. After those were cut down, I set the miter to 45 degrees to cut the angle for the hooks. I sanded everything to 120 grit to get flat surfaces for gluing later on. Then set everything out in the orientation that I thought looked best and marked each of the hooks so I knew where they'd be put on the main body. I first drilled through the main body with a small drill bit, then drilled about halfway through with a larger bit to recess the screws and plug with a dowel. I dry fit everything so I could take a step back and make sure it all looked right. Then it was time to glue and screw it all together. I just used a wet paper towel to wipe away the excess glue and let it dry while I moved on to how to mount it to the wall. I found these keyhole hangers on Amazon that were really cheap and turned out to be the perfect option for this project. I cut down some of the excess cut-off 2x4 to size, traced the keyhole hanger and used a Forstner bit in my drill press with the same diameter as the rounded side of the hanger to recess them into the wood. I used a chisel to clean up the edges and repeated for the other hanger. Initially, I had planned on using a different method for hanging, so I had to plug the holes with the same size dowel as I did on the sides. Then I gave it one final sanding and finished everything up. Thank you so much for watching, I genuinely appreciate it. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up, and if you want to see what I build next, please subscribe. Thanks!